This time the trip is special because we have my in-laws with us. So we're taking them along. It's their first flight journey. Fought with this guy and took window seat. And see how the window seat view is. It's all foggy. Nothing is visible. बताओ बेकार. तुमको बोइंग खेल रहा है?
काय बैठ नहीं बा फर्स्ट टाइम बोन है
like a zilla. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. And with that, we begin our Orissa trip. It's 2:40 in the morning. We have an early morning flight to catch, and the flight is at 6:20. It's my friend's wedding. That's the reason we are going to Orissa. She's my friend from MIT Manipal, my engineering college. We did engineering together. That is Mukta Tripathi is her name. So going to attend her wedding in Bhubaneswar. This time the trip is special because we have my in-laws with us. So we're taking them along. It's their first flight journey. So it's all going to be very special memory. This is my outfit of the day. I got this from Amazon. Amazon has really good dresses. Oh, hang on. There's a pocket. That's so nice. Wow. This is T1, Terminal 1 we reached. It's 4 in the morning, 4:15 around. Terminal 1 is also very beautiful. Bangalore airports are always very beautiful. So every time we come there is a new surprise. This time it was Digi Yatra thing that we have to self-register here. First you have to do your web check-in and have your boarding pass, online boarding pass. Then after that you have to scan the boarding pass at the counter. Then it will ask for your photo, and then you have to scan your Aadhaar card or whatever photo identity proof. After that it will say succeeded, and then you have to go to a CRPF officer sitting side by. Then you have to show your boarding pass as well as the photo ID proof. Then he'll verify and then you're good to go inside. So this was the procedure. All of this is before you enter the airport itself. Then the security there will be a separate counter for Digi Yatra. There you just go and stand. So it will do your face recognition, and then you show your ID proof to the CRPF officer. Then you will be let inside the airport. Then you can proceed to the counter of the airlines to give your luggage for check-in. Hi. Hi. That's my father-in-law and mother-in-law, Ashok Bhatt and Anita Bhatt. So together we are traveling to Orissa. Their first flight. Before dropping our bags to the check-in baggage counter, Indigo has this policy to collect baggage tags. So we had to do that first here. So we have to come and get baggage tags from here, it seems. That's a new thing. This tag they will give. Yeah, we dropped our check-in bags. Now we are going for security check. Done with security check, boarding, checking, bag check-ins and everything. One thing we learned today was there was talcum powder, Pond's powder in my mother-in-law's bag. So it was held in security check. They told us that you cannot carry talcum powder. If you want to carry, it will be seen what is inside, tested, then you have to get a document for it. You have to do proper security check, and again you have to get some document and all that. Only then the talcum powder will be allowed. I didn't know talcum powder is not allowed. He said we don't want to carry the talcum powder, and he threw it. Took our names and then noted down the boarding pass. It's a new learning. It was 10 rupees talcum powder. Who will do all that? So much tedious task for powder. This talcum powder was in hand baggage, carry baggage. So that is not allowed, but you can carry it in check-in baggage, I guess. Been sleepless all this while. No sleep this entire night at all. We woke up at 1:30. I slept at 11:30, woke up at 1:30. 2 hours of sleep, that's it. Our seat is 2370 something in the back. Our sitting
और छोटे बाइक को सामने वाले
at the plane.
रो एक और आपातकालीन 50 वाले रो में बैठे अपने दाएं
तो कैसा लग रहा था मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को हवाई फीलिंग taking them on their first flight.
Feeling good.
Feeling accomplished.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Good. Should be proud of yourself. ये इमोशनल हो गया, अभी इमोशनल होने के बाद कुछ नहीं बोलता है. It's 6:10 in the morning. I fought with this guy and took window seat, and see how the window seat view is. It's all foggy. Nothing is visible. Batao, bekar. This is the view. Nothing is visible clearly. Mod pura bada. And we landed, and here rain is welcoming us in Bhubaneswar. It's raining here. Wow. This is Orissa Airport, Bhubaneswar Airport. There is sand art exhibition. Wow. कशी असेल फ्लाईट कसं गेलं तुमको बहीण केलं आहे
काय बाई केली बा फर्स्ट टाइम भाव नाव
लायकच दिलं ताण वाईट उभाई तलली मागीर लँड करताना आणि गडगडगड हल्लो
कळता हालेल पुरा
गमत झालो ओके
आम्हाला कसं फ्लाईट एक्सपिरियन्स
कशें जालें तुमकां
बाई झालं आम्हाला नाছিল बाई जायचं
सकाळी फ्लाईट नव्हे सकाळची गमत झाली ओके देयर इज उबर ओला सर्विस counters in this airport. Wow. We are directly going to Puri today. That's the plan. So we'll go to Puri, spend the night there, visit the temple today, and then tomorrow we will go to Konark and leave from Puri. It's raining here. The weather wasn't supposed to be like this. Suddenly it started raining heavily. Wow. We got cab in Bhubaneswar airport and then we headed towards Puri. From Bhubaneswar airport to Puri takes about 1.5 hours, and on the way we get Sakshi Gopal temple. So we thought we'll go to Sakshi Gopal temple on the way, get God's blessings and then head towards our room which we booked in Puri. We spent about 1 hour in the cab. I was sleeping all the while, and we reached this temple here called Sakhi Gopal Temple. So we are going to first visit Sakhi Gopal Temple. I'll show you the surroundings. Sakhi Gopal temple, and from here photography and all is not allowed. This is how it looks. One weird thing here is to see the god you have to pay a ticket, it seems. 30 rupees they charged from us each person to see the god. When we entered Sakshi Gopal temple, the priests hoarded us saying that entry ticket le lo, entry ticket le lo. So we were kind of shocked because in our temples in Udupi, Mangalore, there is no entry fees to visit a temple. So we right away thought it's some scam. But then they did not allow us to go near the Garbhagriha at all. Then we understood that there is a system of entry ticket. And then 30 rupees per person they said, and if you pay 50 rupees they'll give you laddu prasad. So right away we were kind of skeptical and paid only 30 and prayed to the Lord and came back. This is Puri's Golden Beach which you are seeing here. It's all foggy and cloudy, hence the view is not at all clear. It's all because of the cyclone which happened on December 6th. This is an impact of the cyclone. Place where we were staying, Bollywood 2.0. This is the hotel, Bollywood 2.0. And that over there at the end of the road is beach. Wow, wow, wow. ये अच्छा होटल चूज किया हमने बीच के राइट ऑपोजिट. This is Bollywood 2.0. Okay, you have to walk. There is no lift. Good 2.0, a 2-star hotel, not a very lavish one, but yes, in budgeted cost. So as soon as you enter here, there is a bathroom. Bathroom is clean. Clean is what we all require. Bathroom is clean. Then here you have a mirror. Mirror is very good. And then there is some table to sit, and then there is a bed. Oh, they have given some coffee. This that sunrise is here. Then there is a bed, AC, and then here there is a balcony. The balcony view is under construction apartments. Under construction lodge, and then this is all the Golden Beach. This is Golden Beach. And so many shops and shacks like how we see in Goa. But the weather is all rainy, unexpected rains. So we are going to this restaurant called Agarwa Veg Restaurant. We checked in into the hotel around 10:30 and slept till 1:30, and then we came out to have lunch and then visit Puri temple, Jagannath Mandir. So after searching a lot, we found this veg restaurant, Pure Veg Agarwal. Let's go there and see. Finding a veg restaurant is a task here. Agarwal Veg Restaurant, VIP Road it seems. Soup and all is 90 rupees. Pakoda and all is. This is jeera rice we ordered. That is this is paneer, that is veg kadai something, and this is roti. हाँ सर्व कर दीजिए. This is paneer lavabdar. This is some mixed veg kadai, and that is garlic naan. He is eating roti. Food taste was good, naan was good, garlic naan was very good, and curry was okay. Curry was also good. Paneer lavabdar was good. It's 3:30 now. We will now leave for the temple, Jagannath temple from here, and get the God's darshan. Phones are not allowed inside it seems. So I'll show you the temple only from outside. Garlic naan is 90 rupees each. Tandoori roti is 35. Jeera rice 160. Veg sabnam bhar 200. Paneer lavabdar 260. Water 25. 975 rupees. And then we headed towards Jagannath Mandir. This is the grand road of Puri. I'll make a separate video of Jagannath Mandir. Let's end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If yes, please hit that like button and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. I'll pin the first comment, waiting for your lovely comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please do like, subscribe, share, and take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.